How's it going, everyone? Let's talk about ticker Wolfspeed here, as they just got news of bankruptcy report, bankruptcy filing here. Here's what I see about this. Obviously, I'm not in it right now because we are in a downtrend. If you look at the daily chart and you see this EMA 50 at the very top, as you can see, price can go above it, but a lot of times it's just false breakouts. Right here goes down, short it. Right here goes up. You short it here at this light blue. Here, false breakout, down, false breakout, down. And as you can see, it's just been constantly doing that. Right here, down, okay? And then you can look at the longer term outlook. The weekly chart is in a downtrend. So everything about this is short the pump. Here, touched, and everything was shorted. And so when I'm looking at this stock, if I'm going to take this trade, I need to see it at this lower Keltner channel. Well, obviously with this bankruptcy filing, we are way below this. It's at 1.54, this lower Keltner channel, which is at extremely oversold settings. Guess where we're at? 1.28. So yeah, this thing is way below this, and I have no doubt about it. You can get a dead cat bounce for sure. When you see a price way below this Keltner channel, you can see, like, for example, you see how it gaps up, and then bam, dead cat bounce of 20% right here. You know, very rare do you see price just stay below my green bands. Just like when it goes above, you see this, it can't sustain it, goes back down, comes back up, goes back down. So what I look is, if I'm going against the trend, this is what I want to look for. All right. And then the next thing I want to look for is the KDJ. Obviously, I'm not going to have the exact numbers. I'll put this in. Right now, it's at 25. So we'll see what it's at before. You can see when it's extremely oversold, it gets lower and lower. This is not an end-all, be-all, but it's just nice to kind of see this. But yeah, Wolf, man, I'm actually surprised. Like, holy crap, I'm very surprised about this. Man, this company has served me well on some of these bounces. I mean, look at this. I mean, some of these bounces, a lot of members of my Discord play this from $2, 133% bounce here. But as you notice, though, guys, where is price? What is price doing? As I teach all the time, when there's lots of EMA 20 time distance, price comes back to touch it. As you can see, we touched it, and now it's making its journey back down again. All right, so if you're gonna play this, obviously go smaller size. Either, don't risk a lot because it is a bankruptcy filing. Those are very risky, but it could, recover and make some freaking massive money. All right. So right now, the lower Keltner channel is 154. As you can see right now, we are sitting at 1.30s. The first target we're going to hit is this EMA 20. If you want a very nice quick scalp, right here to this EMA 20, that is a 31% move up. I mean, we know it's going to touch this, just like in the daily time frame. In a shorter time frame, we're going to come back and touch this. All right. So we know that's going to happen. But as you can see, just like with price action, when the EMAs are above, you see price goes back to EMAs, goes down, but up, down. Till this starts forming an uptrend, then you'll start to see it closer to the daily starting to come back to these EMAs. But yeah, I'm very curious where we're at. We're going to be right down here somewhere. I'm going to take a look at this, but this is one of those very extremely oversold where, honestly, I like this company. Right? It just kind of sucks, but this is why I don't get into these trades. I know a lot of, some of you guys asked me about this, but it's in a downtrend. The only way I'm going to get into it is a move down like this, hitting a Keltner channel. All right. And look for that dead cat bounce. This is the next area right here. Obviously, this is more news driven now. It's a little worse news, but I have no doubt about it. You can get a nice dead cat bounce too. We'll see. If you guys want to join the Discord, I do alert my plays all the time. I try to alert you guys high quality plays. But if you want to join the Discord, click the link down below in YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord. For my alerts, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Click how to subscribe and hit hashtag day trade alerts. When you do that, you'll get access to all my memberships for $12 a month, day trades and swing trades at an all-time low cost. If you've never been in my service, you get this awesome discount. You'll be grandfathered in. As long as you stay subscribed, it will always be that affordable for you. All right. I think you guys are going to really love this. I have all the day trading education you guys need, everything that you need to be successful. I have the swing trading education, guys. All these videos. Watch how you can make passive income with these strategies. I'm a very less risky type of style. When you see my alerts that I alert, I try to look for these uptrend type of plays. As you can see, this is one of my strategies. When we hit an upper Keltner channel, we are in an uptrend, and then we pull back down to these areas of interest. All right, so we'll see what happens. My day trading community is probably the best, over 90% win ratio doing credit spreads, and I do futures there. But hope to see you guys there. Let me know what you think about Wolf. I know a lot of people probably eyes are on this. This thing had lots of volume. I mean, look at how much volume. We have 49 million volume here till it had that dump there, and then I mean, tons and tons and tons of volume. So this has lots of attention. Okay. All right, guys. I'll let you guys know what I do. This will be, kind of a higher risk play, but if you waited for my system, you right now here looking for a nice, beautiful dead cat bounce. All right, guys. Peace out, and give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and if you do subscribe on the Discord, make sure you do it on your computer to avoid the iOS feed. It's best if done on computer. All right, guys. Peace out.